This one is called Little Bird. It's our brand new song. It is our personal favorite. And that was it.
All right. Thanks.
All right, Little Bird. Maybe if we play it soft and I say it loud, life's for grasping all that's good, for holding tight to what you feel you should. You await a hollow death when memories flood with your final breath. Will they be filled with shallow men and myth, and every part of you abused till there was nothing left? Will they be filled